Good evening everyone! Naimbag nga rabii kinyayo. Tonight, on this video, let's learn how to say like this, kastoy, kastoy, and of course, we will also learn how to respond. Yes, like that. One, kasta. And how to say no. Not like that. Not like that. Haan kasta. Like this. Kastoy. Let's start. Like this. Like this. Kastoy. 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 And if you are the person being asked, and the person asking you is doing it wrong, you wanna show him how, or you wanna show her how, and you wanna say, not like that. Like this. Not like that. Haan kasta. Like this. Kastoy. Not like that. Like this. Haan kasta. Kastoy. Haan kasta. Kastoy. Kastoy. What if you were asked like this, kastoy, and the person is doing it right and you wanna say, yes, like that. Yes. One. Like that. Kasta. One. Kasta. Kastoy. One. Kasta. And that's it for our quick Learn Ilocano video. See you on the next video. Good night!